The admin fee helps cover a lot of the extra labor associated with scheduling the third-party consultants. Sometimes there's a third-party inspection that's mandated for the build process. It helps cover the time for the structural engineer to review if there's a geotech report and incorporate that report into their calculations. So it helps cover the labor in various phases of when an ECA report's required. So an environmentally critical area it could be any number of things. It could be like a steep slope hazard, an erosion hazard. It could be a protected wildlife environment, a wetland, and each of those categories come with their own strict and separate set of regulations we have to follow. The reason that's not included in our standard pricing is because we take ECAs on a project-by-project basis. Not every project's going to have an ECA and require all this extra work, which is why we have the admin fee. This is a one-time fee, meaning that if you have multiple ECAs on your property, you're only going to be charged once for the admin fee. So you could have an erosion hazard, landslide hazard. We only need to charge you once for that.